Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone overheating issue. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, check for updates. Make sure that your iPhone is running on the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update and wait for checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So wait for it. So I have the latest version updated. Go back, and then after this the next solution is close unnecessary apps. Sometimes running multiple apps at the same time can cause overheating. Close any apps that you are not using by double tapping the home button and swiping up on the apps you want to close. So swipe up and close all the apps from here. So after this, the next solution is reduce screen brightness. High screen brightness can also cause overheating. So for this, open control center and reduce your screen brightness here. And then after this, the next solution is avoid using phone in the direct sunlight. Direct sunlight can cause the phone to overheat. So try to avoid using it in direct sunlight. So after this, the next solution is remove the case. Sometimes using a case can cause the phone to overheat. Remove the case and see if overheating issue is resolved. And then after this, remove any debris from the charging port. Debris can cause the phone to overheat while charging. Use a toothpick or a small brush to remove any debris from the charging port. So after this, the next and the last solution is reset your iPhone if none of the steps work. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings here, enter your passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, if none of the above steps work, contact Apple Support for further assistance. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.